Now, AJ Fox with your local Weather Authority forecast.
So I know that we were thinking triple digits today. Have we gotten to that point yet?
No.
No.
And we have 98 so far. I got on the phone with the National Weather Service because there's a data issue with the current temperature readings for some valley spots. And so the first graphic I want to show you is not what I normally would start with temperature-wise. It shows a lot of spots across the valley, and it's because it's a mixed data set. For example, Fresno is still saying 97 when it probably should say 98. The 100 in Mendota, that's good. The 101 in Los Banos, that's good. The 99 in Tulare, this is all good information. So there's different data sets that's available on this wider picture than just what we call the ASOS system, and that's in the main airports in Fresno and Madera, Visalia, Hanford, Lemoore, etc. Our skies were very clear. We expected it to hit 100. We still could squeeze a 100 out of that officially today, but it's becoming less and less as we're getting into the cooling hours of the day. But our strong high pressure, that's going to, according to Futurecast, stay with us through tomorrow. And of course, all of the state of California is going to get hotter than it should be, even along the coastline where temperatures are going to be in the 70s. It's warmer than it ought to be for this time of year. According to Futurecast, nothing but clear skies, even up into the mountains. Pretty clear up there, mostly sunny, I'm calling it. And look at some of these warm numbers. 65 in Porterville, 64 in Hanford, 65 in Huron, Fresno, 70. We're going to start at 70. 63 from Madera, 64 in Fireball and Chowchilla, 61 in Yosemite, 63 in Merced, Los Banos, 65. Tomorrow, Los Banos will be one of the cool spots at 100, 103 in Merced, 105 in Chowchilla, 103 in Madera and San Joaquin, Selma, 104, 104 in Huron, Coalinga, Lemoore, 105, same in Corcoran, Visalia, 103, Porterville, 103, 106 for Pixley and also Delano. Our air quality, obviously, it's going to get a little worse. So everyone unhealthy for sensitive groups, and that's true across the valley for tomorrow. Tonight, expect an overnight low of 70 degrees under clear skies. Northwest wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, one of the reasons why it'll get so hot is because of the southeast breeze. Whenever you have a southeast breeze, you can generally amp up the numbers a little bit. So 104 the expected high. Certainly, we're going to call that very hot, but it's not quite the record. Not quite. It's very close. It's only 1 degree off, in fact. The record for tomorrow is 105. We're going to stay very hot through the weekend. Close to records, 1 or 2 degrees at the very most, Wednesday through Saturday. The 90s do return next week, but I had to delay the 90s returning day, so you may not be happy to see that. But if you notice, on Saturday and Sunday, we'll top out at 106. That's the day where the record's 105. I'm forecasting 106. That's the only day in the whole extended forecast where I'm forecasting a break in the record. 103 the high on Sunday, which starts to separate itself from the record, and 100 on Monday, and then back down to 96 degrees on Tuesday of next week. 96 never looks so good. Your regional forecast is available on our website at yourcentralvalley.com. Remember last week when 96 was a crisis?
Right?
You know?
Well, I mean, wouldn't say it was a crisis.
Well,
but
I'm exaggerating a little, but not by much.
But that was the hot spot of the week last week.
Exactly, and so now, boy, we're just leaving all that behind. In 96,
Yeah.
we're begging for 96
You're
to
right.
come
It
back.
does look good.
Yeah.
Thanks, AJ. Appreciate
You
it.
bet.
Now,